Good afternoon, children. I'm making this video to explain you your English holiday homework. So all the assignments that you are going to do of English, it is to be done in a separate file with your name, class, section and roll number mentioned over there. Different assignments must be separated with a sheet in between. So you have to separate all the questions. After doing the question number 1, you have to place a separate sheet and then you start with the second one. Don't merge it up. The file should be well covered and properly decorated with all the things that is available at home. Don't go out in the market and purchase anything. Posters, handouts to be made on a chart paper. So if the chart papers are available, it's okay. If it is not there, do it in a A4 size sheet. Design a poster to increase awareness among the people on COVID-19 and the precautions that should be taken to prevent it. So you have to design a poster mentioning all the do's and don'ts on a sheet, as I told you, either on a chart paper or a A4 size sheet. Also give a catchy slogan. So you can write a catchy slogan to make your poster more attractive. You don't have to copy from anywhere. It should be original. Prepare an infographic of any chapter you like in your book. So infographic, as I told you, pictorial presentation of anything. Okay, so any of the topic that you liked from your English book, either it is grammar, honeydew, or it so happened, you can create a comic strip or pictorial presentation of that chapter accordingly. Okay, and it must be handmade. So the pictures that you're going to draw, it should be handmade. It should not be taken out from the printer and then you are doing it. Then follow the link that has the following link has the editorial articles of the Hindu. Hindu is a paper, everyone knows that. Read one article each day and find the meaning of the words you don't know or you don't know the usage. Frame your own sentences with it. So you have to find each day, you have to find new words and you have to write the meaning of that particular word and use it in your own sentences. So one article each day, dates must be mentioned. And the link is given below, right over there, just below the question number 3. Question number 4 says that you have to read The Palace of Illusion, Chitra Banerjee Devakurni, and write a book review mentioning its characters. Also write about what you found spellbinding in this book. What is so interesting, what keeps you reading the book again and again. You have to write that, and you also have to write a book review and mentioning the characters also that are there in the book. Then write the character sketch of the characters in the novel. So if you can write maybe as many characters you want that influences you, okay, and you have to write it according to the novel. So the link of the novel given is right below question number 5. Then question number 6 says that you have to record a soliloquy in the role of a child who wants its parents to listen to it and let it follow its own dreams. So soliloquy, I already told you, it's a personal thought and ideas or feelings of a person that wants to impress the listeners surrounds that person, and that you have to write to convince your parents that you want to become an actor rather than concentrating on the things that they are telling you to do so. So you have to convince with your speech. It's a kind of a speech, and you have to convince your parents to become an actor, and how you're going to convince, you have to write in that soliloquy. You can also mention that your school is starting a drama class for the teenagers and how the people in past have flourished in drama. Then question number 7 says that you have to write a diary entry of each day of your summer vacation. So you have to start right from the summer vacation starts and till the end of the summer vacation. So the dates must be mentioned. Every day you are going to mention the date. It is must. It must contain what new thing you have learned that particular day. So whatever you have learned on that day, you have to mention in the diary entry. Then prepare a speech on the freedom of press and critical appreciation of the policies is the salt for development. This is the topic on which you have to write according to the Indian scenario, and record a video. You have to record a video. It should be like less than 5 minutes. You should not exceed more than 5 minutes. And but yes, it should be at least 2.5 minutes or maybe 3, not less than that. And video, and you have to send it to your English teacher that you are going to send it to me, those sections I'm taking. And it must not exceed 5 minutes and must not be less than 2 minutes. It must be a video without any paper in hand, so you don't have to watch see the script and then you have to speak. It should be like if you have written on your own, you don't have to see anything either. So I hope you have understood your holiday homework. If in case you have any problem, any difficulty in understanding any of these questions, you can directly call me or message me. I'll let you explain you again. Okay, thank you.